Don't be afraid to start over. It's a chance to build something better this time. Respected principal, vice principal, teachers and all my dear friends. A very warm good morning to all. My name is Faizan Abdul Jalil. So the students of secondary are going to present the online class assembly. Let's start the day with prayer. So I would like to invite Meher for the prayer.
പാരന്തയാലുവായി ദാക്ഷിണ്യശാലിയായി വാഴുന്നോരീശ്വരൻ തിരുനാമത്തിൽ നിഖില ലോകങ്ങൾക്കുമേകരക്ഷകനാകും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും പരമകാരുണ്യവാൻ കരുണാനിധിയെ വിധി പറയും ദിവസത്തിനേകാധിപനെ നിയതമാരാധിപ്പൂനങ്ങളങ്ങേ മാത്രം സകലം സഹായമായി പിപ്പതും തിരുമുൻപിൽ നയിക്കേണം ഞങ്ങളെ നേരായ മാർഗത്തിൽ നിങ്ങനുഗ്രഹപാത്രമായോഗൻ മാർഗത്തിൽ അങ്ങയായി ഗോപിക്കപ്പെട്ടോരുടെ വഴിയെല്ലാം സന്മാർഗവിഷ്ടോതൻ വഴിയുമെല്ലാം ആനന്ദയാലുവായി ദാക്ഷിണ്യശാലിയായി വാഴുന്നോരീശ്വരൻ തിരുനാമത്തിൽ നിഖില ലോകങ്ങൾക്കുമേകരക്ഷകനാകും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും അഖിലേശ്വരനല്ലയോ സകല സ്തുതിയും.
Now it's the time for pledge and I would like to invite Sajid.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it, rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone. Because to my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In there will be prosperity and always my happiness. Jai Hind.
Now it's very important to know what's happening around our country. So I would like to invite Situ for the news.
Good morning all. My name is Situnam Sufi. Today's news headlines are 40 Apple iPhones, MacBooks that are officially outdated. Biden and Kamala Harris named Time Magazine Person of the Year. COVID recovery rate has improved to 94.84%. Says government farmers protest more jadas from Punjab on street to infuse fresh blood. 40 Apple iPhones, MacBooks that are officially outdated. Biden and Kamala Harris named Time Magazine Person of the Year. COVID recovery rate has improved to 94.84%. Says government farmers protest more jadas from Punjab on street to infuse fresh blood.
Now it's the time for English thoughts. So let's welcome Shaza.
Hi, I am Shaza of Hindi. I am going to talk about the secret of success. Each one of us have different definition of success. Different people have different goals. Your goals might be different from mine, but in order to achieve it, the things we need to do are pretty much the same. Hard work, determination, and a never giving up attitude will surely lead us to success. For example, when you learn to ride a bicycle, you will keep falling and wobbling. But you practice every day, you will surely get the bag. Same is the case with all our goals. I love to conclude with a saying: don't practice until you get it right, but practice until you cannot get it wrong. Thank you.
Next is Zenha Bashir to tell Malayalam speech. പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട അധ്യാപകരെ, പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട കൂട്ടുകാരെ, ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് ഇവിടെ പറയാൻ പോകുന്നത് വായനാശീലത്തിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. പുസ്തകങ്ങൾ ഞങ്ങളെ ഒറ്റ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളാണ്. അവരിൽ അടങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്ന വാക്കുകൾ ഞങ്ങളെ അറിവിൻ്റെ ലോകത്തെത്തിക്കും. വായിച്ച് വായിച്ച് കൈ വർദ്ധിപ്പിക്കാം. വായിച്ചാൽ വളരും, വായിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ വളയും എന്ന് കുഞ്ഞുണ്ണി മാഷ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു. എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും വായിച്ച് വായിച്ച് വളരാൻ ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. നന്ദി. Next is English thought by Zaya.
Good morning all. Today's thought: let us always meet each other with a smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. Mother Teresa. Thank you.
Now any assembly is not perfect without mother tongue. So Rehan is going to tell Malayalam thought.
നമസ്കാരം. എപ്പോഴും പുഞ്ചിരിക്കാൻ തയ്യാറാകുന്നവർ എപ്പോഴും ദേഷ്യപ്പെടുന്നവരെക്കാൾ ശക്തരാണ്. നന്ദി.
Now let's welcome Zayan KTP for Hindi thought.
नमस्ते. आज का सुविचार: समय का उपयोग करो, क्योंकि समय किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता. धन्यवाद.
And Mahmoud bin Musan for Arabic thought.
Assalamualaikum. La batak min hayrin juruh. Shukran.
Now let's invite Rizvi to tell thought of the day.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Ahmad Rizvi. Today, December 14th. Do you know the speciality of this day? Yes, National Energy Conservation Day. It is observed on this day since 1991. Thank you.
Now here we come to the most interesting part, which is amazing fact. So I would like to invite Jihan.
I am Mahmoud Jamshid, second D. Amazing facts. Hot water will turn into ice faster than cold water. Thank you.
Finally, we have a speech by Sheena ma'am.
Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to talk about the thing which is an important element not only to your student life but life in general. The thing is attitude. It is not that attitude plays an important role in every people's life. Our attitude is how we see the world, how we behave towards the others, and so on. You even cannot imagine how much it can simply be changed due to changing attitude to life. A positive attitude is very important to stay happy in life. We become what we think. If we have a positive attitude, we can handle difficult situations in life. Our road to success will be easy as a positive attitude helps to get motivation. It takes a positive attitude to achieve positive result in life. We all should be grateful for the things we have. There is always something to be grateful for. For example, the food we eat, the beautiful sunrise, the shelter over our head, good clothes we wear, etc. I would request you all to be positive and spread positivity around. Have a positive and a happy day. Thank you.
Now here we come to the end of the assembly. Have a nice day, stay safe, and thank you.